6'5". Wow. Okay, so 6.5 feet. Okay, Tosh is 6.5 feet tall. He's staring at a basketball net. Okay, how tall is the basketball? 10 feet. Good. Oh, who said that? Basketball net. 10 feet. Oh, so I didn't know you play basketball too, Leandro. Okay. Okay. So, let's see. Okay, that. And then let's say you are aiming. So let's say Tosh is aiming at the basketball. He's aiming at the net at a 45-degree angle. All right, makes sense. You have your hand up, you're looking, 45-degree angle. Okay. How far away is he standing? How far away is he standing? Hey. So realistic problem. Let's visualize it now. Okay, so first off, if I have to draw a diagram, what shape have we been working on? Right angle triangle. So there you go. So right angle triangles. Okay. So let's say this is the basketball net. That looks pretty good. Looks good? Yeah, not bad. Okay. So this is 10 feet tall. Okay. Oh, I have to fix my thing. Wait. Let me fix this up a little. My bad. Okay. This is Tosh right here. Okay. How tall is he? 6.5. Okay. And I want to figure out how far away is he? He's looking at a 45-degree angle right here. Okay. Leandro? Okay. Do you guys see why I had to redraw my diagram? Sydney?
Because he's like, if he's aiming, then he'd be aiming from his head.
Right.
Like he wouldn't be aiming from the ground.
Right. So unless he's like on the ground, dive for a loose ball and then like shooting it from the ground. That's why I had to incorporate him standing. And then nope, I am given the angle. I know he's shooting at a 45-degree angle. I want to find out how far away he is from the net. Yes. Okay. So as I drew before, like this is not a right angle triangle. It's a pentagon or not a quadrilateral. Okay. I need a right angle triangle. So that's why I kind of have a right angle triangle in midair right here. If I know the whole thing is 10, he's 6.5. What is this part of the right angle triangle? 3.5 feet. Okay. So now, if I cover up everything else, I cover up the net, I cover up Tosh, guess what? Isn't this just like the question we had on the board? Yeah, this is exactly like a simple question now. So we just changed the word problem into just a simple diagram. Okay. Are we following along so far? We're good? Okay. So now just looking at this. I have my diagram. I have to label the H, O, and A. So, Rashan, I'll zoom this in so that you can see it nicer. Okay, I'm looking from this 45-degree angle. This side is?
What?
This side is H, O, or A?
Right side is A, O.
Oh, good. And I'm trying to find?
A.
A. Good. So O and A, Sokatoa. Sokatoa.
I'm just guessing.
Because Sydney says so, or because you think? Right. Okay, so looking at Sokatoa, which one of these have O and A in it? Tangent. So that's how you know out of the 3 buttons which one to press. Does that make sense? Okay, so first off, you have to label it, label the O and the A, and then looking at Sokatoa, this one has the O and the A. So that's how I know I should press tangent. Okay. So tangent, do I know the angle? William, what's my angle? Okay. And then equal, opposite. What's opposite? And then what is adjacent? A or X, the unknown. You're unknown. Okay. Since my X is on the bottom, I know I'm doing the dividing. So X equals 3.5 divided by tangent 45 degrees. You can do it all on your calculator if you want. You can change this to a decimal first and then divide. Up to you. Alright, so 3.5 divided by tangent 45 degrees. You get 3.5. What's my unit? Feet. Right. Okay, so what's my therefore statement? Yep.
Therefore, he is standing 3.5 feet away from the net.
Perfect. So Taj, how far is the 3-fold line? How far away is the 3-fold line? I don't know. I thought you played basketball like every day. Oh, you're football now? All right. Rashan, how about you? How far away is that 3-fold line?
Can you see that far?
No, I meant on the court in general.
Oh, how far is it?
Yeah.
20? No. Like 60?
Really?
Yeah, like 60.
Oh, okay. How about the whole court?
90 something.
90 something. I think 96. I think. Okay. So basically, I think Tosh, you're right under the basket, and you're gonna do a slam dunk. Okay. So I just wanted to throw this one in because it's more real life. You guys can picture it easier. Let's try the one on page 7 out. Okay. Page 7. Andrew, you're gonna read it for me because I hear your voice. Okay, sit in. One second. Okay.
Depression from his balcony to where you reach the building, the ground is 40 degrees. The angle of elevation from his balcony to the balcony
Good. Thank you. Angle of depression. What do you think angle of depression means? Depression. Depressed. What happens when you're depressed? Down, right. So it means you're looking down. What's the one that when you look up? Oppression. There's no such word. Elevation, right. So angle of depression, looking down. Angle of elevation, looking up. Oppression. Alright, I'll put that on the test. Alright. Okay, looking up. Do you need to know these 2 words? Yeah, when I ask it like this, I think by now you know. Okay. So this is Kim, this is Yuri. Alright. What how many right angle triangles do you see?
21.
How many?
2. 4. There's 1.
3. I see 3. Yeah, I see 1. But then this triangle is actually the same as this triangle. And then this one. Yeah, so I do see 3. What about this one right here? No. What about this whole triangle here? Can I use that triangle? Why not? It's not a right angle. Excellent. Good. You guys were paying attention. Payton, stop singing. Someone is singing. Was it you? Who's singing? Who's singing? Somehow, hey, somehow they're all looking at you. Okay, so I cannot use that one because it's not a right angle triangle. So I have to do the math separately. Okay. Let's do the top one first. All right, let's do this top triangle. I have the 20 degrees. What else do I know from this triangle? William. Right. If the bottom of the buildings is 30, that means that the distance between the buildings is still 30. Yeah, so if I look at this right now, again, this is my right angle triangle. I have an angle, I have a side. I can figure out this. I can figure out this side. Okay. Okay, so looking at that triangle, so I can redraw it even. So 20 degrees, 30, I'm looking for X. Okay. Leandro, help me label. This is my angle. So this side is? It's right across from it. Oh, right, opposite. Okay, what about this side then? Is it hypotenuse or adjacent? Adjacent, because it's not the hypotenuse. Good job. Huh? Yeah, I didn't read the question. Sorry. We'll have to solve for everything anyway. Okay, so Elisa, O and A. Which one has? Is it S? Is it C? Or is it T? Sokatoa. Huh? T. Good. Toa. All right. So tangent. Alexia, do we know the angle? 20 equals opposite over adjacent. So then I'm gonna have you. I'm gonna get you to help me with the rest of this. X is on the top. So am I multiplying or dividing? So let's pay attention then. So we're multiplying. So 30 times the tangent 20 degrees. You can also think of it as a cross multiply. So if you put this over 1, cross multiply, you're multiplying these two. Okay. Okay. 10.91, let's see. Tangent 20 degrees. And then times it by 30. I got 10.91. Let's do 1 decimal place. So 10.9.
We're not right.
Oh, sorry. It says nearest meter.
Yeah. So it's 11 meters.
So it's 11 meters. Good.
That's why A was first, because you have to add it to right?
Okay.
To do that triangle.
Okay, so now looking at the bottom triangle right here, again, same thing, but now I'm using the 40 degree. So I'm just going to redraw this. Okay, so again, this is still 30. So 30 on the top, 40, and then I'm looking for this side now. So Y, 40 degrees. This is 30. Okay. Let's see, who should I ask? No. Alina. Alina, help me with labeling the H, O, and A. I'm looking at this angle right here. This side is O. Good. Opposite. And this side will be adjacent. That's right. Okay. Elisa. O and A. T. Good. Okay. So out of the 3, I already am like 1/3 done the question because I know it's tangent. Okay. Setting it up. Sokatoa. Sokatoa. So which one of these 3 has O and A in it? This one is O and H. This one is A and H. SOA, that's SOA. No, it's SO. Yeah, so this acronym, if you don't want to say SOKATOA, you want to make it your own, that's fine. But if you remember the order wrong, whole thing is wrong. Okay. Okay, Alexia, can you help me set this up? So tangent, what's the angle? Equal, opposite is? Y over 30. Good. Okay. Elisa, Y is on the top. So should I multiply or divide? Multiply. Right. When Y is on the top, you're just simply multiplying. So 30 times tangent 40 degrees on the calculator. Okay. So tangent 40. I get 0.8390 times it by 30. Then you divide. Okay, so what's my answer here, Neela? Nearest meter. 25. Okay, so now looking at this. This was 11, and this was 25. Okay, so that's 25, that's 11. Okay, so now to answer the question, how high is Kim's balcony above the ground? So how tall is this? Cindy? 25 meters. Good. And what about Yuri's balcony? 36 meters. Right, because you had to add both of these. Okay. So the key to this is, I know I'm looking for Yuri's balcony, but I cannot just do this triangle because it's not a right angle triangle. I have to split it into right angle triangle to do SOHCAHTOA. SOHCAHTOA only works on right angle triangles. Okay. One last example. Okay, I know we are doing quite a bit examples today because I feel we need to practice. Yeah, if you did your homework yesterday, you would know how to do one triangle. So now to make it harder today is putting two triangles together. Oh, this triangle is the same as this triangle. Yeah, everything is the same. Okay, Tayden, can you read this example for us? Nila.
Measurements are taken in order to find the height of the nearest meter.
Andrew, you can wait for me in the hall. What? When people measure the height of a cliff, do you think they would actually like carry a measuring tape and like climb the cliff? That would be the hard way. That's why you use math, so that you don't have to do this. So in this case, they use this Theodolite, something. Like one of those things that it looks like a speed radar, like the people that stand on the side of the road. That's what they use. They're actually measuring the angle of the roads, seeing if it's steep and so forth. So that's what they use. And so now they have a right. How many right angle triangle do you see here?
One.
Two. Right. So you have to use your imagination here. There's one right angle triangle on the ground, and then there's one vertically in the air.
Oh.
Okay. So right. So this bottom triangle, the one that fell down, according to Rashan. All right. This one, 52 degrees, 75, and I'm trying to find FC. Do you think it's useful to find how long CY is? No, it's not going to help me with that triangle. Is it going to be useful if I find out how long XC is? Yes, so that's what I want to find out. So my first step is to find out how long this is. Once I have that, I can use that information to find FC. Okay. My right here. We're using tangent again. That's right, because this is opposite and adjacent. A lot of times, you're gonna use tangent. All right. Set this up for me. Elisa, you set this up for me. Tangent. Do we know the angle? Yep, it is 52. Equal opposite over adjacent. Adjacent is 75.
What unit are they referring
Meters. 75. Right. 10a. Since x is on the top, should I multiply or divide? Multiply. Good. Okay, so 75 times tangent 52 degrees. Gavin, what did you say? 96 what? Meters. Good. Okay, so what we just found is the length of XC, the length across the river. Now that we have that, can we find the height of the cliff FC? Yeah. So your second right angle triangle, like this, This is 61 degrees. And this is 96 here. And I'm finding this. Okay, out of the three, which one do you think you were doing again? Yeah, opposite, adjacent. Okay, so this time 10A, help me set up. Tangent, yep, equals. Over 96, good. Okay, Jaden, finish this up for me.
X equals 61 times 96. X equals to 173.
What's my unit?
Meters.
Meters. So therefore, the height of the cliff is 173 meters high. Okay, so questions?
So what was the difference?
Therefore, the cliff is 173 meters tall. Okay, so that's why yesterday, if you did your homework, it would have made today's lesson a lot easier because then you are used to labeling the HO and A. You know how to set up the ratio. Today's word problem, it's basically solving for one triangle first, and then using that information, that answer, to solve for your second triangle. All right. Try the homework. Page 1 to 3. Page 380, and then these questions right here. Try it. These are the type of word problems you will see on the test. When is your test? Tuesday. And that's because tomorrow, Friday, we're going to review. Monday, we're going to review. 2 days of review and then your test. Yeah.